Chapter 13. The Earth, Sun and Moon. Earth. Look at this picture. This is our Earth on which we live together with plants and animals. In olden days, people used to think that the Earth is flat. But actually Earth is round. The Earth appears flat to us because we see only a small portion of it. This is how our Earth looks when seen from the space. Which colors do you see in this picture of the Earth? Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese, was the first explorer who sailed across the world and conclusively proved the round shape of the Earth. Many years ago, sailors had proved that Earth is round. They started sailing from a certain point and sailed on and they reached at the same point from where they had started. This can happen only if the path is circular in shape. No more. Astronaut. A person who travels in the space and studies about moon, stars and planets. A globe. Astronauts have seen the round shape of the Earth from space. Have you ever seen a globe? A small model of the Earth is called a globe. We can see different countries, oceans and seas marked on it. Movements of the Earth. The Earth is moving all the time. The Earth moves in two ways. 1. Rotation. Earth rotates on its own axis. 2. Revolution. Earth revolves around the Sun. 1. Rotation. The Earth rotates on its own axis. It rotates from west to east. The Earth's axis is slightly tilted. Axis of the Earth passes through the center of the Earth from North Pole to South Pole. The axis of the Earth is an imaginary line. In actual there is no such line. It just helped the scientists to understand the Earth better. The movement of Earth on its own axis is called rotation. The Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. 24 hours makes a complete day. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. The Earth rotates on its fixed imaginary axis. North Pole, South Pole. Activity 1. Take a rubber ball. Mark N as North Pole on its top and S as South Pole on lower side. Insert a pencil in the ball so that it passes from N to S as shown in the figure. Now rotate the pencil. You will see that ball also rotates with the pencil. Here ball is Earth and pencil is its axis. Just as ball rotates on its axis, i.e. pencil, the Earth also rotates on its axis. Thus rotation of the Earth causes day and night. No more. Axis. An imaginary line. Rotation of Earth causes day and night. Take a globe and a torch. Rotate the globe and see how day and night come one after another again and again. The half of the part of the globe which faces the torch light has daytime, and opposite part of the globe has night time. Similarly, the Earth rotates on its own axis. The half of the side of the Earth which faces the Sun has daytime. The other half of the Earth which does not get sunlight has night. Earth, Sun, day, night. The Earth always rotates. Due to Earth's rotation, day changes into night and night changes into day. All over the world, if one place has day, then the place which is on its opposite side has night. It keeps on changing as the Earth rotates. 2. Revolution. The Earth revolves around the Sun while rotating on its own axis. This movement of the Earth is called revolution. The Earth revolves around the Sun on its fixed path called orbit. The Earth's orbit is totally an imaginary line. The Earth takes one complete round of the Sun in 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days and 6 hours is equal to 1 year. It means Earth complete one revolution around the Sun in 1 year. Revolution of the Earth causes seasons. Revolution of Earth around the Sun. Sun, Earth. What do you see in the sky in picture A? It is daytime. What do you see in the sky in picture B? It is night time. The Sun. The Sun shines in the sky during the daytime that gives us light. The Sun is a star nearest to our Earth. Many stars in the sky are like our Sun. Other stars are very far from us, so they look very small. We cannot see other stars in daytime in the sky due to sunshine. We see other twinkling stars in the night sky. The Sun is a huge ball of hot gases burning continuously in the sky. We get heat and light from the Sun to continue life on the Earth. When the Sun rises in the east, it becomes day, and when the Sun sets in the west, it becomes night. Can you tell how is the Sun helpful to us? The solar system. The Sun and all 8 planets form the solar system. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. 8 planets go around the Sun in their fixed paths called orbits. Planets do not have their own light. They reflect the sunlight that falls on them. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. As compared to the Sun, Earth is very small in size. 8 planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. No more. Orbit, a fixed path on which a planet revolves around the Sun. There is no air and water on other planets except the Earth. It is impossible to survive on other planets. Solar System. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Stars in the sky. The stars look very beautiful in the night sky. People enjoy when they look at them. Some groups of stars form a picture or shape of something. One group of stars appears in the shape of a hunter named as Orion, another a scorpion named as Scorpius, lion named as Leo in the sky. These groups of stars are called constellation. Scorpius, Orion, Leo, Ursa Major. Moon. The moon moves around the Earth. It takes about 29 days to complete one round of the Earth. The moon has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the sunlight. No living being can live on the moon as it has no water and air. The moon does not look the same all nights. It seems that it changes its shape. On some nights it looks round while some other nights it does not look round. It happens because moon moves around the Earth. Sun, Earth, new moon to full moon. We see only that part of the moon which is lit by the sun. On some nights we can see the full bright side of the moon. On some other nights, we can see only a portion of the moon which is lit by sunlight. In above figure, different phases of the moon are shown on its different positions. Phases of the moon: full moon, gibbous moon, crescent moon, new moon. The different shapes of the moon which we see in the night sky are called phases of the moon. 1. Full moon. Full bright side of the moon is called full moon. 2. Gibbous moon. More than half of the bright side of the moon is called gibbous moon. 3. Crescent moon. Less than half of the bright side of the moon is called crescent moon. 4. New moon. When sunlight does not fall on the moon, then we can see only dark side of the moon. This is called new moon or no moon. Quick recap. The sun is a star. It is a huge ball of hot gases. The sun and all 8 planets form the solar system. The earth rotates on its own axis. This causes day and night. The earth revolves around the sun. This causes seasons. The moon revolves around the earth. It shines due to sunlight. We see only that part of the moon which is lit by sunlight.